Greetings, Lucy, my dear. It is I, the brain of TV's Pinky and the Brain and Animaniacs. And I want you to have a very happy Guy Fawkes Day, or Bonfire Night, as they call it, over on your side of the pond. Yes, I understand you'll be bringing us in toy form to the celebration. What you don't know is that each toy has got a microchip so that we can follow your adventures as you enjoy the fireworks, my dear. We will meet you in Dublin indeed, and hopefully it will be a world-dominating plan that I enact on that very day. That will be the day I take over the world, and perhaps you can help me. Lucy, it's Maurice LaMarche, and I'm so flattered by your wanting to have a special greeting from Brain for Bonfire Night, and I hope you have a lovely Bonfire Night. This is from just me, Maurice, to you, Lucy. Have a wonderful time. You take good care now. Be well. See you in Dublin.